In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Solana to Bullx Neo. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Bullx Neo, then go to the left menu and select over here where it does say wallet. Once you're over here, you want to go ahead and make sure you do select on the Solana wallet that you're trying to use. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making sure that our network is set to Solana, and then we're going to go ahead and press on add funds. Then it is going to give us a QR code and our wallet address over here. And this is basically the address that we need to use in order to actually send Solana to. So we need to send Solana to this address right over here. So what we need to do now is we need to go ahead and open up Phantom Wallet. You guys could do this either on the mobile version or the Google Chrome extension. I'm just going to be using the extension right over here since I do have Phantom Wallet, but all we need to do is sign in. All right, and once we went ahead and signed in, all you want to do is you want to press on this button that does say send, and you want to make sure that you do select on Solana. Then go ahead and input the address that we did just copy. There you go. This is the same one that we did get from Bullx Neo. And now all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on how much Solana you actually want to add to Bullx Neo. So this is completely up to you. You guys could also go ahead and just send the maximum. And all you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on next. Then it is going to ask you to confirm the transaction. And from there, you should get Solana on Bullx Neo. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.